Welcome my fellow students of the world. This is the Academia Hargeisa Universalis School of Physics, and I'm Mustafa Aw-Abdi. I'm the Chancellor of Academia Hargeisa Universalis, Somaliland's first international online and YouTube distance learning university, based in Masaalaha on the outskirts of Hargeisa, the capital city of Somaliland. And for today, I'll focus on optics, which is a branch of physics, focused on behavior properties, and the ministry of light, and interactions with matter. It's divided into three main orders: geometrical, physical, and quantum optics. And it's fundamental technology like lasers, microscopes, and telecommunications. And before I'll do it, I've announced that effective from March 18th, lectures for Academia Hargeisa Universalis will be on Wednesdays, and also effective from March 21st, there will be lectures for Saturdays. That's why I announced the creation of Around the World Through History in 7 continents. And that means there'll be 2 of them on Wednesday and Saturday until May. For more information on AHU, follow me to YouTube, subscribe, click the like button, ring the notification bell, and write down in the comments below about your progress in the university. Enjoy and watch the lecture. Optics is a branch of physics that studies the behavior, manipulation, and detection of electromagnetic radiation, including interactions with matter and instruments that use or detect it. Optics usually describes the visible, ultraviolet, and infrared light. The study of optics contains 12 forms of electromagnetic radiation, including radiometric, algorithms, and X-rays. The term optics is applied to technology from manipulating beams and electrically charged particles. Most optical phenomena can be accounted for by using classical of light. However, complete electromagnetic detection of light are the to apply in practice. Practical optics is usually done through using still light models. The most common of these geometric optics treat light as a collection of rays that travel in straight lines, and then when they pass through or affect surfaces. Physical optics is a more current model of light, which includes ray effects, emission interference that cannot be accounted for in pneumatics. Historically, the ray-based model of light was developed first, followed by the wave model of light. Progress and electromagnetic theory in the 19th century led to discovery that light waves, in fact, radiate electromagnetic radiation. Some phenomena depend on light having both wave-like and particle-like properties, relation and effects described in mechanics, including particles like photons, collecting particles from photons. Quantum optics deals with origin of quantum optical systems. Optical science is relevant to studying many astronomy, photography, and medicine, especially radiography such as beam radiation therapy and CT scans. Physical optical biology and optometry. Optical applications optics are found in a variety of everyday objects, including technology and everyday objects, including mirrors, lasers, telescopes, microscopics, lasers, and fiber optics.